The question 2, we have to find the HCF of two numbers, that is 196 and 38,220, and from that we can see 38,220 is greater than 196. So we have to divide that 38,220 by the smaller number, that is 196. And now 196 ones are, we have to write here 196. If we subtract that 196 from 382, 6 from 12, that is 6 will be here. Now here it will be 17, and from that we have to subtract that 9, so it will be 8, and here again here it will be 1. Okay, 186. We have to take that 2 here, and now I have done that division here. So 196 9s are, what is there, 1764 here it will be, and we have to subtract that from 1862, and the subtraction is here, it will be 8, and now 9 0 0. Okay, now I have to take that 0 down here, and 196 5s are 980, and the subtraction is 0 0 0, that is remainder is 0. So I will write the algorithm for this step now. See how to write that algorithm is, means dividend, that is 38,220, algorithm dividend is equal to divisor 196 divisor into quotient plus remainder. So as we know, we find the remainder 0, and in that step we have to go to the divisor. Whenever, जब भी हमें रिमाइंडर 0 मिलता है, तो वो स्टेप का जो भी डिविजर रहता है वो उन दो नंबर्स का HCF होता है. So as we got remainder 0, therefore HCF of these two numbers is equal to 196. Okay, now we will move to the next, that is third, that is we have to find the HCF of the two numbers, that is 867 and 255. First what we have to do, we have to see which number is greater, and we can see 867 is greater than 255. So we have to divide that greater number by the smaller number, that is 255, and we can see here I have divided that 867. So 867 से को अगर डिवाइड किया तो 255 3 जा 765. So the subtraction here, it will be 2 0 and 1. Now we will write the algorithm here. Algorithm, as you know how to write, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is 102, and we can see that remainder is not equal to 0. We have to move to the second step, and from the first step we have to take the divisor and the remainder, and now we are going to divide that divisor, that is 225, by the remainder 102. Okay, 255 को हम ये 102 से डिवाइड करेंगे, तो 102 2 जा 204. What will be the remainder here, that is 51 will be the remainder. 51 will be the remainder. यानी now first we have to write the algorithm, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and here again the remainder is not equal to 0. So we have to again move to the next step. Now I will take the divisor and remainder from this step, and we will divide that 102 by 52. Okay, I will rub this step and I will do the division here only. Okay, the next step we have to divide that 102 by 51. Okay, 51 2s are 102 और यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 है. तो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द अल्गोरिदम डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू divisor into quotient plus remainder, and as the remainder is 0, the divisor from this step will be the HCF of those two numbers, that is 867 and 255. So I will write here HCF of those two numbers is equal to what? That is 51. Okay, we have completed question 1 from exercise 1.1. Now in my next video we will see question 2 of this exercise, and if you want to refer complete chapter तो उस प्लेलिस्ट की लिंक मैंने आई बटन में दी है और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी दी है. तो प्लीज़ रेफर दैट स्टूडेंट्स.